Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for New Year. Before I proceed, I would like to wish you all a very happy New Year. Hopefully, this year will be a very good year for each and every one of you, and you'll be making good money. So, let's get started. So, this is the 4 hour chart of gold USD. The Christmas is over, New Year is over. Hopefully, the market will be back on track. The volatility will normal, volume will be normal from the next week onwards. The last traded price of gold is 1827, and right now the market is extremely bullish. There was a resistance at 1820 level. Gold has crossed the resistance of 1827, and this is the last traded price. Okay, so let's look at the chart of DXY also once. DXY is trading at 95.67. Okay, this is the chart of DXY. Overall market is bullish, and as we all know, DXY is in consolidation, not consolidation, actually sideways for the last couple of days. So it has broke the level of 95.80, and if you have watched my previous videos, then you know it very well that we have a very strong support at 95.50. Yes, this is the strongest support for DXY, and if DXY breaks the support and goes down, then the next support will be 95 level. Okay. So it is also the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement, and this is the Fibonacci 50% retracement. So right now DXY is in support zone. If it goes down on Monday after the market open, there is a possibility of market bouncing from 95.50. Okay. And if it bounces from this particular position only, then we may see some correction on the chart of gold. After all, when DXY goes up, we generally see gold going down. Okay, so keep your eyes on the chart of DXY as well. So keep in mind 95.50 is a very important support level, and right now market is also in the support only. If it breaks, then that's a different chapter. Then 95 will be the next level for DXY. Now the chart of gold here. So first of all, okay, the level of 1818 to 1820, which was previously this resistance for the market, has a possibility of right now acting as the next support. Yes, this level has the possibility of right now acting as a next support, but keep in mind this is not a very strong support for the market. This is a new level, so this is just a minor support. Yes, minor support, not a very strong one. And apart from this 1818 1820 level, we do not have anything on the chart right now. Yes, we do not have anything on the chart right now, any proper level. And on the other hand, if gold tries to go up, then 1830 can be a level where we can take a sell position, or we may see some selling pressure on gold. Why? Because if you have been trading on gold for quite some time, then you know that a couple of months ago we had a very strong resistance at 1830 level. Okay. At 1830 level we had a very strong resistance, and that level may act as resistance right now. But are we sure? No. Keep in mind, if DXY breaks the level of 95 point if DXY breaks the level of 95.50, okay, then there will be good buying on gold, and gold will cross the level. There we have gold will cross the level of 1830, because we do not have any proper resistance also on the chart of gold right now. Okay, any strong resistance. The next resistance is only available at 1870 to 1875. 1850 may be the psychological resistance for the market, but if we talk about strong resistance, then 1870 to 1875 is the only logical strong resistance on the chart of gold right now. So if DXY breaks the level of 95.50, then definitely gold will break the level, and gold will be very bullish. Okay. And on the other hand, if DXY takes support because it is standing at a support zone and bounces, goes up, then we may see some selling. Okay, selling on gold. Do we have any proper support here right now? No, we do not have any proper support right now. Only 1818 to 1820 may act as a support. Otherwise, the, the old level of 1790 to 1780 is still present in the market. Okay, and if I take you to the weekly chart of gold, this is the weekly chart of gold here. And in the weekly chart, you can see gold is bullish. Gold is very bullish, and if we consider the fundamentals also, then gold is very bullish right now. I'll suggest, if you have an ongoing position on gold, ongoing long position or buy position on gold, then my dear friend, please continue with the buy position because the next target for gold is 1875. Because those who have patience, those who are not looking for any scalping opportunity, for them 1875 is the next target, and then the second target will be 1900 to 1910. Okay, so just keep in mind gold is very bullish. This is a weekly chart of gold, and last week on Friday gold has broke the weekly resistance. So therefore, to be honest, I am bullish on gold right now. I think that gold has a good upside. There may be some small correction for 1 day, 2 days, but overall the chart of gold is bullish, and I think that 1875 should be the next target for gold. And in the short term, for short term or for scalping purpose, right now I do not see anything prominent on the chart here. Let the market open. After the market opening on Monday, when the market will be moving, then we will get to understand what is going on with the DXY, what is going on with the gold chart. Then I'll be bringing the next best trading opportunities for you. Okay, till then, just try to observe the market, just try to understand what is going on. Just remember, fundamentally and on a higher time frame also, gold is bullish. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Anyways, happy new year again.